What's up, guys? Sam James, Barprints, and I'm here today with Don from Trung Nguyen Legend Vietnamese Coffee. How you doing today?
Yeah, pretty good, pretty good.
How's the trip?
Last day of the festival. So.
Last day of BCB Berlin. I mean, trust me, I'm feeling you. So please, tell us a little bit about Vietnamese coffee. What makes it so unique? I actually tried it for the first time with your colleague on Monday and blown away. So please, tell us a little bit about.
So first of all, Vietnam is the second biggest exporter in the world after Brazil. So, and our brand is the biggest one in whole Asia. Basically, what makes our coffee unique is that it's roasted with butter, first of all. And then when we use this small filter that has few layers of filtering in it. So basically, if you can see, it has three filters inside the filter where you just pour coffee in it. You drop a little bit of water, so it thickens the coffee, and then 100 more milliliters of hot water, and there you go. It's ready to go. It's really easy. The only thing that you have that it takes a bit of time is waiting when the coffee drops into the glass.
Right.
After that, you drink it with condensed milk. So come on, it's free, unique way how to drink a coffee.
It definitely is. So drinking it with condensed milk, that's the traditional way it's served typically in Vietnam?
Yes, it is a traditional way because normally our coffee is a little bitter. And when you add the condensed milk in there, it gets smoother, the texture gets smoother and sweeter. So typically Vietnamese coffee is really strong and really sweet. Normally, usually way how Vietnamese people drink coffee is that you put half of the glass with condensed milk and the second half with coffee. So it's really, really sweet. For European, they couldn't bear it, so we just put a little bit of it.
No, I have to tell you, I'm a bit of a coffee snob, I think, and your instant coffee is by far and away the best instant coffee I've ever had in my life.
So I tried our instant.
I did try your instant. I tried it. Like I said, your colleague gave it to me on Monday.
Oh, I see.
But no, that is amazing. So the thing that I found really cool about it is the whole fact that it's roasted in butter, and it gives some chocolatey notes and a really full-bodied mouthfeel and flavor to it. Tell us where we can find you on Instagram or on the internet so people who are interested can get to your coffee. Where are you available?
So easily for Europe, you just write into the Facebook Trung Nguyen EU and you will find our website. For Instagram, it's Trung Nguyen EU as well. So you can find it on our those two social platforms.
Awesome. Are you available in the States or the UK as yet?
In the UK, we are available. We are shipping there. We are shipping actually for the whole Europe. So we can ship after like. I don't know the price right now, but the shipping cost is really low, so you don't have to worry about that.
Excellent. Well, Don, thank you very much for your time. I appreciate it. Cheers, everybody. Thanks.